Is your Explora decoder remote not responding? This is one of the most common issues, but it's usually easy to fix. We'll walk through the two main solutions: battery troubleshooting and remote pairing. First, let's check the batteries. This fixes about 60% of remote issues. Remove the batteries from your remote and inspect them carefully for any signs of corrosion or damage. If new batteries don't solve the problem, the issue is likely with remote pairing. The remote has lost its connection to the decoder and needs to be repaired. For standard pairing, press and hold the DStv and ARC buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Wait for the LED indicator to flash blue, which confirms the remote is in pairing mode. Next, on your decoder, navigate to Settings, then Remote Control, then Pair Remote. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. If standard pairing doesn't work, try these alternative methods. Factory reset pairing involves holding the back and DStv buttons for 10 seconds. You can also try manual code entry for your specific decoder model. When battery replacement and remote pairing don't solve the problem, the next step is to reboot your decoder. We'll start with a soft reboot, which is the gentler approach. For a soft reboot, first unplug the power cable from your decoder. Wait exactly 30 seconds to ensure all components fully power down. After 30 seconds, reconnect the power cable and wait for the decoder to fully start up. This process typically takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once the decoder has fully restarted, try pairing your remote again during the initial setup screen. This often resolves connectivity issues that weren't fixed by battery replacement alone. If the soft reboot doesn't work, you may need to perform a hard reset. This is a more drastic measure that will restore your decoder to factory settings. Navigate to your decoder's settings menu, then go to System and select Factory Reset. This will reset all settings to their defaults, but won't delete your recorded content or schedules. To prevent future remote issues, follow these important maintenance tips. Keep your decoder software updated for optimal compatibility with your remote. Maintain a clear line of sight between your remote and decoder. Remove any obstacles that might block the infrared signal and minimize electronic interference from other devices. Consider keeping a spare remote as backup, or better yet, install the DStv mobile app on your smartphone. This app can serve as a complete replacement for your physical remote. These troubleshooting steps and prevention measures will help you resolve most Explora remote issues. Regular maintenance and having backup options ensure you'll always have control over your viewing experience.